As global demand for sustainable energy continues to grow, large-scale commercial and industrial energy storage systems are becoming key to business transformation. Smart Matrix A is equipped with an advanced battery management system and redundancy design to prevent overheating, short circuits, and other potential hazards. The system continuously monitors critical parameters and ensures safe operation without human intervention. The Smart Matrix A features a highly organized internal structure, including modular battery units, BMS, PCS, and liquid cooling systems. The Smart Matrix A features 4 liquid cooling modules for the battery and 2 for the PCS, ensuring optimal temperature control and peak performance. It is equipped with an advanced fire suppression system, ensuring safety with rapid response and preventing potential fire hazards. Its compact, efficient layout maximizes space utilization and ensures ease of maintenance. The communication cabinet connects all subsystems, ensuring smooth data flow and real-time monitoring, optimizing performance across Smart Matrix A units. The combiner cabinet efficiently gathers and organizes AC power from Smart Matrix A units, ensuring stable, safe, and scalable power distribution. Introducing the Smart Matrix A, a cutting-edge, all-in-one energy storage solution designed specifically for large-scale commercial and industrial applications. If customers choose to use their own PCS system, the Smart Matrix A can be easily adjusted to a version without the initial PCS, offering greater flexibility. Smart Matrix A is designed for rapid deployment. Its all-in-one modular design allows a single cabinet to be installed quickly with minimal labor, while traditional container installations require more time, space, and complex wiring. A complete Smart Matrix A system consists of 3 battery modules, a communication cabinet, and a combiner cabinet. Each module provides 1.67 megawatt-hours of capacity, which can be scaled up to form a 5 megawatt-hour system, offering flexible and scalable energy storage solutions. Smart Matrix A is designed to meet the complex energy storage needs of large commercial and industrial sites. In a 10-foot container, it delivers an impressive energy density of 1.67 megawatt-hours per cabinet. When scaled up with multiple units, it forms a powerful and scalable energy storage system that can meet the most demanding requirements. The cabinet-level EMS manages and optimizes energy flow within a single Smart Matrix A unit. It ensures efficient charging and discharging, monitors battery health, and performs local safety checks, all while ensuring the unit operates within optimal parameters for maximum performance. The rack-level EMS coordinates energy management across multiple Smart Matrix A units within a rack. It synchronizes charging and discharging across the system, monitors overall power distribution, and optimizes energy usage to ensure efficient system operation at a larger scale. Cloud-level EMS provides remote centralized control, optimizing energy dispatch across multiple sites, aggregating data, offering predictive maintenance, and integrating with market platforms for dynamic grid and price response. Site-level EMS manages multiple Smart Matrix A systems, coordinating energy distribution, optimizing peak shaving, load following, and grid interaction to efficiently meet site energy demands. Smart Matrix A is powering the future of industrial and urban energy. Scalable, reliable, and intelligent, it ensures seamless energy delivery from large-scale solar installations to the city. Join the clean energy revolution today.